Welcome back to Mr. Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will share you the best 3 digital marketing certification courses available in online. And also in this courses, what are the topics they have to cover. I also explain that. So first thing, the world's best teacher in online is Google still now. So Google also providing the free digital marketing courses available. In this course, there is 26 modules was there. Also, all the modules having a written lessons, videos, quizzes, texts, etc. After you completed these 26 modules, you have to get the free certificate from the Google also. And second course is based on inbound marketing strategy, HubSpot Academy they are providing. Actually, it has 10 lessons, 34 videos, 9 quizzes, etc. The topics are fundamentals of the inbound marketing, planning the content strategy, content blog post, growth strategy, social media marketing, etc. they are providing for you. And after you completing all of the topics, you get a free certificate from HubSpot Academy. And for these 3 digital marketing courses, I already pinned the link in description box just to check it out after the completion of this video. And third one is very important because you are already having some basic knowledges about digital marketing mate. You just to go for LinkedIn Learning because they are providing 24 hours long course based on the advanced digital marketing strategy, and it has 11 modules. For example, growth hacking, SEO, email marketing, Google Analytics, Facebook, Twitter marketing, UX design, etc. etc. So for the LinkedIn Learning, you have to give an email address for the free 1-month trial, and then after the completion of this topic in this course, you get a free certificate also. So at last, in my point of view, these 3 are the best digital marketing free courses available in online. So after you completed this 3 course, you got a certificate made. After the time also, you have to interested to learn something new about digital marketing for your career mate. You go for the paid course because now you have interested to learn the digital marketing. Okay, I'm accepted. But based on this 3 course, after that you have to get a basic knowledge about the digital marketing. After that also you have interest in, you go for the paid course. And I hope from this video you learn something new about it, right? So please press the like button, share with your friends. We will meet in the next video as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.